Over the last 4 months, 4 innocent children have become victims of predators at schools, and yet the Home Minister of Karnataka is now choosing to blame the media. Listen in.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಇದೆ ಇಂಥ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಿಕ್ಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ TRP ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸುದ್ದಿನ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
There are more reactions coming in on that story. Let's get you more reactions from Karnataka.
See, that is his opinion. Why we should worry? We must start ignoring it. He does not know what he is speaking. He also does not know what is the Constitution. He has taken an oath under the Constitution that he will obey the laws and the Constitution. In utter violation of the oath that he has taken, that he is uttering these words. Fourth Estate is one of the four wings. It's the pillar of the Constitution. And if he wants to say that he must gag the press, then he does not deserve to be in that place forever. I mean, it's high time that he must resign. One thing is that he is losing his own TRP. It is reducing. So he wants to increase, one thing. Second thing is, whether he likes it or not, rapes are increasing day by day in almost all corners of Karnataka. He does not know how to control it. He has no authority over the other police officers. He has got an advisor who has been dumped on him by the Chief Minister. He is acting according to his wishes. So this is what is going to happen. Otherwise there is no way. In fact, the duty of any electronic media or the press media to bring to the notice of the public domain the incidents that are happening in the country and to apprise them. He does not want to do that.
Shifting the blame to the media has become like a pattern now, because earlier Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also said that, is this the only story you had? Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister of Karnataka said in another case earlier.
What is the latest? The rape story or
rape. Yeah, that's really very ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ only news